So, we went and did a thing. Matt, where are we going right now?
To this guy's house. Get the title.
So right now we're on our way. We've already negotiated the price. We're on our way to do the deal on the next project that hopefully doesn't require any work. And obviously it's going to require a ton of work right out of the box, right?
Until we break it.
Hopefully I make it home without having to do
Is that the plan? Is that the plan, to drive it until something breaks and then fix that?
Yes.
Right?
Those headlights are driving me nuts. I'm gonna have to polish them.
No, that's easy fix. The wheels need polish too. You'll see in just a second. So this is it. This is a 2003 BMW 325i E46 BMW 3 Series 2.5 liter straight six engine, manual transmission, and this is the new autocross race car.
Boy, boys, I never thought I'd own a Beamer.
New rear brake rotors, not even put on yet. Brake wear sensor, hadn't been put on yet. I don't think there is anything. Well, there's just some parts and stuff back in here.
Yeah, that may have been. Oh, I think that was.
Is that a
yeah.
toolkit?
Yeah,
Let's get that out of there. Oh yeah,
You may want that.
absolutely.
I think the stuff in the red bag, you may ask him. I think that's stuff that goes too far.
Okay.
Extra parts and stuff he had, I think.
Okay. Yeah, okay. I'm like, I'll ask.
Okay.
He had all kinds of things.
That's a mass airflow sensor.
Oh, mass airflow sensor.
You got it with the other BMW. They didn't have it anymore, so it doesn't need it. But it fits this one. So
Perfect.
They did put a full tank of gas in it.
Oh, nice. They got to back out of here without scraping into the brick things.
Yeah, you're right. I don't want to damage his brick things. The car, you know. I don't want to damage the car either.
Nope.
Oh,
There you go. But yeah, now the mirror's doing the tip down thing.
No backup camera. The tip down
No
thing is
screen.
actually helpful. There we go. Where's Matt?
He's back there on your left. You're okay. You're all clear over here. Oh.
Figure you don't want that.
All right, you want me to drop by after I drop Evan off so you can drive around some more, or are you good, or what?
Let's take it home. It's fine. Yeah, head on back. I don't want to make the wife too angry. We'll come drive it another day.
Okay. All right.
See you, Matt. All right, Eric. Just experimenting
That's
around
gonna be
with
the
it.
first daggone thing I do, if anything.
The bushing on that.
Is, yeah, fix all the linkage.
All right, power windows. Rear power windows work. We already know the air conditioning doesn't work.
Yeah, we'll leave these down a little bit. Let the tent flap in the breeze. Yeah, this thing's about like I expected, honestly, which is a good thing.
Well, and we got the sunroof. This baby's got a sunroof. We could put that up for a little ventilation too. Got the aftermarket stereo.
Got a full tank of gas.
But the guy warned us that if we press the snowflake button, the compressor is seized and it'll kill the engine.
I need to go left, right?
You need to go left. Yep.
Dadgum.
There's a little bit of traffic here.
In a brand new car, well, brand new to me car, with a funky clutch on a hill.
You're clear to the right.
Here we are.
All right.
Airbag light. Meh.
I didn't even notice. I didn't even pay attention to that. But the airbag light's on my truck too. So.
The dead pedal's not dead.
It's
more a zombie
it's
pedal.
a living dead. It's an undead pedal.
It'll be undead. Highway just up here. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it feels
Yeah, how
pretty
does she
tight. Feels alright. You drove it. I'll wail on the suspension some more, because that's really going to be the big deal, right? When you're autocrossing it. I mean, this car's not fast. There's
Tires,
nothing
brakes,
about it.
suspension.
It's
Well,
gonna be all
you don't
suspension.
drive fast in an autocross.
Yeah. I know, but I think acceleration is probably helpful, but
Yeah.
it's all about, that's why Miatas are so popular, right? Because you don't have to slow down on them, they handle really well.
Well, and to tell the story, when we went to the U.S. Grand Prix, the 2021 U.S. Grand Prix in Austin, we stayed in the RV park and camped there, and the guys next to us were a bunch of South African guys that now live in the United States that race, and they had Champ Car and Chimp Car stickers on their truck. So we talked to them. Turns out that they do autocross, they do Chump Car, now Champ Car. They've done 24 Hours of Lemons, and they told us to get a BMW 3 Series.
Well, that's what they had. They hated that they didn't like the Miata.
They hated the Miata guys, and they had a BMW 3 Series. And so, you know, why not let their, take their wisdom and take their advice. So that's what we did.
I'm surprised that we've ended up with BMW, honestly.
It all happened kind of fast.
I fully expected to have a Miata, but this will be fun too.
Well,
yeah, she's pretty sloppy.
definitely needs a bushing in the
Good enough for the girls'
shifter. Well, but if you're racing with it, you need to have a high level of confidence in your.
Yeah, that'll be like the first thing.
All right, we're gonna take this cloverleaf. Let's see what she'll do.
Granny in front of us.
Yeah, I know. Dang it, people! Oh my God! Kills me. Let them get up ahead a little bit, and just freaking clobber it.
They're going so slow.
I know. Watch them be the
They're not
people
gonna
that
stop on the ramp.
people will stop at the yield sign. All right, hammer it. Oh yeah, well that's not bad. Now you gotta run right up the rear. Good Lord, losers.
That's my bag.
All right, so here she is. The next little toy. Soon to be a race car. I love it. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. And next time you see this, who knows what will be happening, but thanks for watching.